Okay, guys, we've got a microphone here, so if you could just put your hand up and I'll point to you and we'll try and get the microphone around. Who wants to kick us off? Jordan at the front.
Hi, David. A tough night, but ultimately what's important is that you got through it and you got a result.
Yeah, I think you've answered it probably as well as I could answer it. We've got a slight and narrow lead, but nothing more than that at this time.
And
David Moyes, the former head coach of the Manchester United Football Club, who is just now teaching Westham United Football Club. He used to say that he has a long way and he has a great work to do so as to win the Europa Conference League this season, as West Ham United have the incredible performance against the AZ Football Club, and he wants to see such kind of performance towards the next match of the Europa Conference League. The only thing that makes him that would just make him proud this season is to win that title, as of course it should be quite clear that David Moyes is just a master of tactics, and he is just recognized for his styles of playing, as he is just a great coach who is just believing on the ball possession, and a great coach who is just believing on the ball control. In fact, David Moyes wants to win the Europa Conference League, and he is just saying that even the players have already been told that they want to add their CV. They are supposed to add their CV and of course their profile by winning this title. It's a great title in the world. It's a title that every football club in the world wants, and of course they have the opportunity to win this title. As this time around, West Ham United, this David Moyes says he's just trying to tell the players what to do on the next match. He's just trying to tell them, he's just trying to give them the intensive instruction and what to do and what they should not do on the next match of the final. As of course, West Ham United is going to face one among a difficult and a great opponent on the final stage of this competition.